Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round! And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski daddy, tell the lightning round. Let's start with Nick in New Jersey. Nick!
Booyah, Jim. Nick from Jersey. How are you?
I am good to speak to a fellow Jerseyan. What's happening?
Absolutely right. I'm calling you today about Innovix Corporation. Ticker is ENBX.
Lithium, high risk. I mean, you know, there was a time where you and I would sit around. We'd go to Roots, or maybe we'd go to Dolce Vita and Belmar and just be celebrating over a glass of wine about that one. But that ship has sailed. Let's go to Drew in New Hampshire. Drew.
Hey, Jim. How's it going?
Not bad. How about you?
Good.
Trying to lose weight, you know.
Oh, yeah, me too. I had a question, especially on valuation of Zim Integrated Shipping Services, ticker ZIM.
Okay, this one is a momentum-driven stock whose momentum, I think, has peaked. And I've been wrong about it, though, but it's a rocket ship, and I just think it's coming down the other way. Let's go to David in Utah. David!
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Watch you every night. My wife doesn't like the sound of your voice, but I dig you.
She likes the sound of my voice? My mom liked it.
I'm calling about Yandex. YNDX.
But that's not really trading. It's kind of like halted. Like really halted. It's a Russian stock. I don't know. I mean, why don't you go buy Anna Karenina or War and Peace or something? Let's go to Barbara in Texas. Barbara.
Hello, Mr. Cramer.
Hi, Barbara.
My question is, what do you think of Ferguson's?
Fergie. I like it. It's HVAC. It's real. They make things. They sell them. They give you money. It's good. I say I like Fergie. Let's go to Paul in Florida. Paul.
Hey, Jim. How you doing?
Not bad.
What's the difference between Moderna's RNA technology and Ionis's RNA technology?
You know, that is a great question. I keep thinking that exactly what you're saying, which is why isn't Ionis breaking out here? But it's just, look, that guy Bancel, my hat is off to him. And I don't want to I mean, if I want to own mRNA, I'll go own Moderna. Let's go to Stephen. Whoa, in Alabama. Stephen.
Jim, big booyah calling from the home of the Alabama Crimson Tide. Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
All right, roll Tide. Let's go to work.
Roll Tide. Jim, the stock I'm calling about is JBLU.
All right, I may break my rule. That company does not make money, but the travel business is so great that, I mean, you could just have the Wright brothers can make money at this point in that business. So I'm going to say it's okay. Let's go to Rob in Ohio. Rob.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
I appreciate your enthusiasm for stocks, Jim.
Oh, thank you.
I've been a viewer since I first heard your rant for around the world back in 2008 when you told Aaron Burnett the Fed knows nothing.
Right.
My stock ticker, Jim, is BTU. Peabody Energy.
Peabody coal. I mean, you know, look, the Germans did close their coal plants too early. I know that still to about 25% of our base load is coal. But I just can't recommend one because I know it's going away, and I'm not going to be the last guy to recommend coal in this country. Let's go to Craig in California. Craig.
Hey, Jimmy Chill, a.k.a. Chillmaster J.
Chill's been all over Twitter. Cheer, I don't want those apes selling that AMC or GME. They better not let me down. What's going on?
I've done pretty well picking up some stocks around a 52-week low. I'm considering one seemingly oversold despite EPS beats the last 4 quarters, about 20% revenue growth year over year. The multiples have traded down to about 13, a dividend aristocrat, about 2.25% dividend. They're doing a $2 billion share buyback. And at this time last year, their lawn and garden segment was on fire. What's their long-term thoughts? Is Stanley Black Decker?
Toast up? Next stock. There's some Dutch, bro. Hey, listen, Black & Decker is that's a joke. Black & Decker's cheap, it's good, and I would buy it right here, and I just said that to a major home retailer the other day. What the heck is that stock doing? The guy ought to come. I like the guy, the CEO ought to come on, because that stock is way too cheap. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.